Hi, in this video we are going to execute cache simulator, which is written in Python, and here is the command to execute this cache simulator. First of all this, and then cache simulator, cache size is 24, which we will find it by our roll number, and here is number of block per set, which uh, tells the associativity, which is one is directly mapped, second is fully associative, and third one is two-way set associative. And here is the number of words per block, which is 2, and word addresses, which addresses we pass in the command line, 3 180 43, and this is the output which we get after executing this command. Python, then and pip is already installed, and we can run this command to install cache simulator. Let's copy this command and paste it in. I have Anaconda set up already, and here is my command, and when I press enter, it's stored. It's telling that requirement already satisfied. It means that I already have installed this cache simulator. So we just have here is the cache line parameters: required size, cache size, the size of the cache in words. This 24 cache, which is cache size, this is in word, and word address. This is the word address, which we pass 3 180 43 2191. Word address, one or more word addresses separated by spaces, where each word's address is base 10 positive integer, and these are the optional parameter if you want to use, and which is one is num block per set, number of blocks per set. The program internally represent all cache scheme using a set associative cache, and number of words per block, the number of words to store for each block in cache. The default value is 1. Number of address bit, the number of bits used to represent each given word address. This value is reflected in binary address column in the reference table. Binary address table, here is binary address, like 3 is represented in binary in this format. Replacement policy. The replacement policy to use for the cache acceptable value or LRU least recently used. The default MRU most recently used. Now here are the first step. We already have done this. We've installed cache simulator, and we have to calculate size of cache as given in the assignment requirement. Size of cache is equal to last two digit of roll number plus 10 multiplied by 12. So here we already have this is my roll number 199124. Last two digit of my roll number is 24, and size of cache will be 24 plus 10 into 12, which is equal to 408. And we have to run this cache simulator with three configurations: one for directly mapped, second for fully associative, and third for two-way set associative. Direct map, direct map further be mapped with three steps, like with one with no hits, the output show no hits. The other second one is output show all hits, and the third one is output show 50% hits. Let's copy the first command, which is direct map no hits cache simulator cache size 4, and this. Copy it and here paste it. Sorry. I new terminal open. I have open new terminal, and here is when I paste the command and run it. Here by running the command, we get this output, and this is cache simulator command, and this is parameter which is cache size 408. Number of blocks per set is 1 because it's direct mapped, and number of words per block is 4. Number of address bits are 11, and word addresses are this 148. I have given in this sequence that every time it's a miss because it was required in this assignment. And this is the word address which are passed here. These are that, and this is binary adder. Like 1 is in binary adder. This is the 1, and this is 4 is, that's how in binary, and this is 8, and this is 12. And again here is the tag column. Tag column represent that tag. Further this binary adder is divided into further 3 things. One is tag, other one is index, and the third one is offset. Tag represent the first 3, and the index represent other 6, and the offset represent the last 2 digits. And this is the hit and miss, and every time we got miss because at number of words per block were 4, and we are generating in the sequence that every time it's a miss. Now again run a command which here is direct mapped all hits. Every time we got hit, copy it and paste it in from our command line, and when we press enter, this is the result we got. Again this command, and the parameters and the word address are changed only. In this command word address are changed, 1 2 3 0 1 0 2 2 3 1, and these word address are here in this column word address, and this is the binary address as already we have discussed, and this is the offset and hit and miss. First time it will always be miss, and then hit all are hit. Now again run the other command which represent 50% hits. Okay, let's copy it and paste it in the terminal and press enter. This is the output we got. All things are same like the first 2 commands, but word address 4 8 12 these are changed because we needed 50% miss and 50% hit. First will always be miss, and again I have provided the value which will be missed, and again a value which will be missed, and now I have presented a value which will be hit and hit. Now we are going to run fully associative. Now we are going to execute cache simulator for fully associative. Here we calculate number of block per set by this formula, cache size divided by number of words per block. Here cache size is 408 and number of words per block are 4. So by dividing this we get 102. 102, number of blocks per set 102. Now copy this command and paste it in terminal. Copy the command. Now when we press enter, this is what we got for fully set associative. This we run for every time we get miss, because we have run this for fully set associative or no hits. Sorry, fully set associative, no hits. This is command for cache simulator, and this is parameter cache size, which is 408, and this is number of blocks per set, which is 102, and number of words per block 4, and number of word address bit is 11, and word address which we have given are 1, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 34 and 38. This is word address, this is winner and tag, index, offset and hit and miss. Every time, first time we got miss in every situation, and after this we are getting misses because of the requirements. Fully associative, no hits. Now we are going to run for fully associative, all hits. Copy the command, paste it in terminal, press enter. Again command and the other parameters, and this 102 is for fully set associative, and number of blocks per set are 102, and number of words per block 4, and word addresses. Here are the word addresses which we have selected to get hit every time it hit, and the first time, as we know that it miss. Now we are going to execute the command for fully associative, 50% hits and 50% misses. Cache simulator, and copy this command, paste it in terminal, press enter, and 50% misses and 50% hits. In simple, first it's a command for cache simulator, and then there are other parameter which is cache size 408, and number of blocks per set 102, and number of words per block 4, and number of addresses in bits are 11, and word addresses which we have given are 4, 8, 12 and 16 to get miss, and 1, 0, 2, 2, 3, 1, and this time 1 also miss, and from 0 it generates hit. Every time it generates hit. Now we are going to execute two-way set associative. Two-way set associative with no hits. Let's copy it and paste it in the command here, and this is the result. We got all miss. As we can see that this is size and this is number of block per set 2, which these two represent that this is our two-way set associative, and this is number of blocks number of address bits and word address. This is word address which we have passed 148 12 16, and the word address 148 12, and binary address tag and index and offset and hit and miss. As we can see that here are two way set associative no hits. First we have a no hits, and this is that miss miss miss, and all caches miss, as this was required in the assignment. Now we are going to execute this command for two way set associative all hits. Let's copy it and paste it in terminal. Again, all things are same. We have just changed the word address to get hit every time. First miss is always miss. First address is always miss, and after this we have all hit, and this is the command for running cache simulator, and this is the parameter. This parameter was necessary because it needs size, and this number of block per set 2, and this tells the associativity of the cache, and this tells the number of words per block, how many number of blocks we need per block, how many number of words. And so I have set this in 4 for all three configuration, and here is the number of bits 11, and the word addresses which I have passed are this. Now we are going to this was for hit, and now we are going to execute the command for two way set associative with 50% hits. Let's copy the command and paste it in the terminal, and when we press enter we got the output, and this is the output. This is the cache simulator command, and this is the cache size 408, and this is number of block per set 2, which represent the set which represent the two-way set associative, and number of words per block are 4. We are having a block of 4 words, and number of address bits are 11, and this is the word addresses which we have passed to get the output like this 50% miss and 50% hit. This is the word address, and this is the binary additive column, and as you can see that tag is the first 4 elements are tag, and this is index. You can see that this is index, and this is the offset which is 00. This one is the offset, and every time we get miss, and after this the value is set to 8, and which will be miss, and 12 which will again be a miss. This is due to the number of blocks are number of words per block are 4, so this will be a miss, and when it comes to this time first miss occur, and then for this first hit, and again hit, and again hit, and again hit. That's how we executed 50% of miss and 50% of hits. Thank you. That's all. I have explained it. First we have installed cache simulator using this command, pip install cache simulator. The prerequisite for this is Python, and we already have installed Python with pip, and after this we can use cat simulator, and this is already I have explained this. These are the commands which I have run. These are the commands. Direct map, no hits, all hits, and 50% hits. These are the word addresses 148, 123, and 4812. And this and third one is two-way set associative. Two-way set associative for no hits, for all hits, and for 50% hits. Thank you.